Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. So this week I've got my 2002 Honda Rebel 250 and we're going to clean and lube the chain. So if I was just working on this chain without making a video, I would probably work on the lower section of the chain. But it's going to be real hard for me to video that, so I'm going to remove this chain guard and I'm going to work on the top section of the chain. Okay, so you don't really want to have any of the cleaners or oils that you're going to be spraying on your chain getting on your tire. So I made a guard to protect it. I just cut it out of cardboard and laminated it with packing tape. Okay, and then I have a catch tray and I'm going to put underneath it, keep it off the garage floor. So, and we're going to be working mostly in this area here. I do have the bike jacked up so that we can turn the wheel and move the chain. So a couple of things that I did buy in order to clean the chain. One, a brush, and two, a cleaning kit, a spray cleaning kit. This has 3 stages. First, you clean it, then there's a penetrating oil and a paraffin-based wax lube that you can put on. So I wanted to try the wax lube just because typically if you just oil the chain, it's going to fling oil all over, and I've spent a lot of time cleaning oil and gunk off of my engine and other parts of my motorcycle where the oil came off of the chain, you know. So I wanted to try this and see if it keeps the bike a little cleaner. Alright, so after opening up the package and reading the more detailed instructions, we're just going to use the chain cleaner and the chain wax at the end. The penetrating oil is really just a penetrating oil like WD-40 and isn't necessary for this application. So now the chain on my motorcycle is an O-ring chain, and this does say that it is safe for O-ring, X-ring, and Z-ring chains. So you do want to make sure if you have O-ring chains that you're using a cleaner that is suitable for that because you don't want it to deteriorate the O-rings. So now we want to spray the chain. And you want to spray this, you can scrub it and let it sit for 60 seconds. Alright, so we've sprayed all the way around. So I'm going to scrub a little bit. Alright, so now you can take it outside and you can hose it off, but I'm kind of set up inside here, so I'm going to just use a spray bottle and a paper towel to wipe it off. Alright, now I'm just going to let that dry for a little bit. Alright, I didn't really give a close-up of this before, but you can see that that chain is nice and clean. It was all black before from the oily residue from previous lubes, so this is looking really nice right now. Alright, so we're ready to apply the chain wax. It does say to apply liberally, but don't oversaturate. Alright, so I've applied the top here and I've applied down the bottom here. so that I get both sides of the chain. I do want to get the inside, so I'm gonna move this cardboard and I'm gonna spray from the other side of the motorcycle. Actually, I don't need to move the cardboard. I'm just gonna spray over here in front of the tire from the other side. Now I'm just gonna put this underneath and just rotate this around a little bit and just soak up any of the excess that before it drips off. Alright, I think that's in pretty good shape. Okay, now you do want to allow 10 or 15 minutes if you're going to go out for a ride. You want to make sure that this has a chance to set up so that it's not still wet and flinging the wax all over. I'm also going to put the chain guard back on. And you can feel that that's nice and tacky now, so that's not going to go flinging off the chain. Alright, so that's how I clean and lube the chain on my motorcycle. If you'd like to see more videos about this bike, please check out this playlist right here. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.